Hello and welcome once again. In this lecture, we will explore the critical concepts of security metrics, key performance indicators or KPIs, and risk indicators. These tools are fundamental to measuring and evaluating the effectiveness of security programs, helping organizations assess how well their security efforts align with their objectives and identify areas that require improvement. By utilizing these measurement techniques, businesses can ensure that they are managing their security posture effectively, tracking progress over time, and making data-driven decisions to protect their assets. Let's examine each of these concepts and understand their importance in a comprehensive security strategy. Security metrics are quantitative measures used to track the performance and effectiveness of an organization's security controls and overall security program. These metrics provide insight into how well an organization is protecting its assets, identifying vulnerabilities, and responding to threats. The primary goal of security metrics is to offer an objective way to evaluate the success of a security strategy, identify trends, and determine areas of strength and weakness. Security metrics can be tailored to different aspects of security, including network security, incident response, access control, and data protection. One of the most important aspects of security metrics is that they should be tied to the organization's overall business objectives. For instance, an organization might set security metrics related to the number of incidents detected by its intrusion detection system, or IDS, the percentage of systems with up-to-date patches, or the average time it takes to resolve security incidents. These metrics provide a clear, measurable way to track progress and help security teams identify where improvements are needed. The effectiveness of security metrics depends on choosing the right indicators that align with both security goals and broader business objectives. KPIs, or key performance indicators, are specific, measurable values that help organizations assess the success of particular business activities or operations. In the context of security, KPIs are used to evaluate how well an organization is performing in specific areas of its security program. KPIs differ from general security metrics in that they are typically focused on achieving specific goals or targets within a defined time frame. These goals are often linked to the organization's strategic objectives, such as reducing risk, improving response times, or ensuring compliance with all regulatory requirements. For example, a KPI might track the percentage of vulnerabilities remediated within a certain time frame, such as within 30 days of identification. Another KPI could be the average time to detect and respond to a security incident, which would reflect how effectively an organization can react to cyber threats. KPIs are often aligned with business outcomes, such as cost reduction, risk mitigation, or enhanced customer trust. By setting and monitoring KPIs, organizations can ensure that their security efforts are aligned with their goals, and they can make informed decisions about resource allocation and process improvement. KPIs are particularly useful for providing a clear focus for security teams, as they break down broader objectives into tangible, actionable targets. However, to be effective, KPIs must be carefully selected to ensure that they are relevant, achievable, and measurable. They should also be aligned with the organization's overall risk management strategy, ensuring that security goals are prioritized in a way that supports broader business objectives. Risk indicators are another critical component of a security program. These indicators provide early warning signs of potential risks, helping organizations proactively address vulnerabilities before they lead to significant security breaches or incidents. Risk indicators can be both qualitative and quantitative, and they can include anything from the frequency of security incidents to the exposure of critical systems to external threats. By monitoring risk indicators, organizations can gain insight into the areas of their security posture that require attention and prioritize mitigation efforts accordingly. Risk indicators can be divided into two categories: leading indicators and lagging indicators. Leading indicators are predictive in nature, providing insights into potential threats or vulnerabilities before they materialize into actual incidents. For example, a leading risk indicator might be an increase in phishing attempts targeting employees, which could suggest that the organization is at a higher risk of a successful cyber attack. Lagging indicators, on the other hand, reflect past security events or outcomes, such as the number of security incidents that occurred in a specific period or the financial cost of core breach. While lagging indicators help measure the impact of past incidents, leading indicators allow organizations to take a more proactive approach to risk management. Effective risk management relies on a combination of both types of indicators. Leading indicators help organizations detect and mitigate risks before they escalate, while lagging indicators provide valuable insights into the organization's historical performance and the effectiveness of past security measures. By combining both types of indicators, organizations can develop a more comprehensive understanding of their security risks and improve their ability to anticipate and respond to emerging threats. To conclude, security metrics, KPIs, and risk indicators are all essential components of a well-rounded security strategy. Security metrics provide objective data on the effectiveness of security programs, while KPIs offer measurable goals to guide performance. Risk indicators help organizations proactively identify potential threats and assess their overall risk exposure. Together, these tools form the backbone of a security management framework that allows organizations to track progress, improve decision-making, and ensure that their security efforts are aligned with business objectives. By using these metrics effectively, organizations can continuously improve their security posture, reduce risk, and ensure that they are prepared to handle emerging threats in an ever-changing cybersecurity landscape. Regularly reviewing and updating security metrics, KPIs, and risk indicators ensures that organizations remain agile, responsive, and resilient in the face of evolving threats.